firstly, we just simply grab a tape measure, measure the width, measure the height of the actual groove or the cavity it's going to go into. Go buy all the screens and the frames and the splines and all the things we need, and then we'll go and back to the shed and knock it all up. Alright, now that we've measured our window opening where the fly screen is going to go, then we can purchase this fly screen framing, which comes in 2.4 metre lengths. And of course, once we know the opening of where the frame wants to go, we'll just subtract a couple of mil by the length and width, length and height. Just I've marked it out a couple of mil shorter. There's a little mitre cutter that you can also buy. Bunnings has all this stuff. I just like to clamp this in here a little bit because it shakes around, and if it moves around, your hacksaw cut actually gets really wide and sloppy. So obviously this little mitre cutter helps you cut a good mitre at 45 degrees, nice and square down the side. Right, and there we have the last piece of my frame. So I've cut all my four. I'll just file them a little bit, and then I'll show you in a minute how to put them together. So now that I've cut my flyway screen frames, and I've just given them all a bit of a clean up, deburred them all, they're all good. As we go to assemble all these, you can buy these in either plastic or in metal, and they simply just slip in the corner there and just connect the whole frame together, which is really awesome. You can also buy many different lengths and widths of the flywire screen material, and different grades, thicknesses, aluminiums, plastics and all that stuff. That's all your own choice. That's the frame. We flip it over. So there, I've just cut a piece of flyaway screen that just suits my frame. I'm going to need a little roller for rolling in the spline, which this spline you can buy at varying lengths, whatever suits your job or however many you're doing. And this roller will just help apply the spline in there. So I just start at a corner and don't try and feed it all in one way. Feed it real gently along the whole length for a bit. And then that little roller just goes right in and presses it all the way to the base. Really pulls taut when it sucks in that last bit of rubber, last bit of spline. Now with a good sharp knife, now we'll just go around and trim the excess fly wire from the rubber spline. Right, and that's it. We have a nicely pulled taut, as you can see, fly wire screen ready to go. Now I've just pre-drilled this off, and I'm just going to hold it in there with some screws. Now I put this flywire screen on from the outside with a few screws because it's a sash type window. It's a little bit more difficult to put a flywire screen on the inside, but generally for an awning type wind out window, the screen is on the inside. You manufacture it, measure it, give it a bit of clearance. It's just the same method, but it usually clips in at the base and maybe just a couple of
top, a couple of screws. There's a few different methods of doing that, but as far as manufacturing the screen itself, it's exactly the same method.